everyone, so today I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by the Pink Ranger, Kimberly. So on my eyes I have this silver pencil from Milani. These are pretty good. They're like, these are the ones I've tried. They like, once they're on, like they don't budge, but at least with the other ones that is. Okay, so I am using my sugar pill today. Her look is like pink, and then of course the mouth is silver with white around here and just white right here. So I'm using these colors, and I did get their newest silver pigment. So this is supposed to have like a rainbow reflex. It's very chunky and like it keeps falling off my brush. Look at that metallic beauty. Look at that. It's like molten liquid silver. Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna dip in Dolly Pop. I believe that's Dolly Pop. Yes, it is. And silver is so strong that it's going into the pink. Wow. That silver is strong. Maybe I should have did the pink first. And just dipping into Taco. Okay, I'm just going to use regular black eyeliner and mascara. I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I wound up having to take a Q-tip and try to remove as much of that silver as I could because it just wasn't showing. So I keep seeing like one of my hairs, but I'm not finding it. So anyway, did silver lips, because I was trying to do, I know this paper's a mess, but I was trying to do, you know, the silver part here, and use the same pink for my blush, and use the silver as the highlight. I have the worst time with lashes. I always with my left eye, I can't get it directly on the lash line. This one always kind of turns up when I put it on, and I kept putting glue and glue and glue to fix it. What are you gonna do? So anyway,